Good morning. It is Monday and I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch. Today I'm getting ready to pack up his cooler. I'm going to give him a Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar. It's the Dr. Pepper with cream soda. And then a Powerade Power Water in the Mango Zero Sugar. And of course, as always, the water cooler. He drinks from the water cooler all day long. That's his main source of drinking. The drinks I pack are just kind of filler throughout the day. His main entree is just some pasta salad. I actually made yesterday. We had like a family get together for Mother's Day. So it's just like a tricolor pasta. It has like salami, pepperoni, broccoli, cucumber, pepper, tomatoes. You guys get the picture. Tossed in Italian dressing and a little bit of Parm cheese on top. My mom also makes these homemade beans. She uses, I think, pinto beans, and then she puts like ground turkey and brown sugar. It's just really tasty. It's like one of her signature sides that she makes. But anyways, there was a little bit left, and I asked if I could take some for Matt's lunch so he can heat that up. They're really tasty. I'm also giving him a Light and Fit Greek strawberry cheesecake yogurt, a little individual Pringles original cup, a Nature Valley sweet and salty dark chocolate peanut and almond bar, and then a banana, which I'm assuming he'll probably eat with the yogurt in the morning. But that is what he's taking today on Monday, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a ginger ale, just the Price Chopper or Market 32 house brand, and one of these ice drinks, the sparkling ice in blue raspberry. These are caffeinated, by the way, and they are the zero sugar. And of course, as always, his water cooler. The sandwich here is some egg salad I made last night. I might have a little clip here. So Sunday when I did my food prep, I did hard boil some eggs with intention of making egg salad, but it was Mother's Day and I had a lot of things going on that day, so I did not get to turn those hard-boiled eggs into egg salad until yesterday, so that's that clip from then. I did put some leftover cooked bacon on here, lettuce, cheese, as well as, of course, the egg salad. And this is just like the Nature's Own butter bread. I did give him some Pretty Pea pickled snap peas from the Oh Snap Pickle Company. I love these little pouches. I get them at Target. Some Lay's classic chips. I forgot that I bought a big bag, variety bag of different chips. They were in my downstairs pantry and I completely forgot about them. So some Lay's classic chips. I did find these Reese's Colliders at Price Right. Very random, but it is a layered Reese's treat. So it's like chocolate and peanut butter. It looks like pudding, to be honest, but we'll have to see how they are. I'll let you guys know if hopefully I'll remember to let you guys know how they are, because my husband's going to try it today. And then just a Welch's mixed fruit snack and a Sargento pepper jack cheese stick. So pretty easy lunch today on Tuesday, and we will see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. I'm giving him a Dr. Pepper cream soda zero sugar and then a Power Water zero sugar in the tropical mango. The wrap you saw me make, kind of messy. I put too much egg salad in it, so some fell out. It is a jalapeno cheddar wrap, egg salad, romaine lettuce, leftover cooked bacon, Swiss cheese, and everything aioli. one of these Light and Fit Greek Crunch Strawberry Cheesecake Yogurts. This orange I'm just going to slice up quickly into circles. A Nature Valley Dark Chocolate Peanut and Almond Granola Bar. And then one of these Jack Link's Beef Sticks and Cheese little combo packs. And that's lunch today, Wednesday. We'll see you tomorrow on Thursday. Good morning, it's Thursday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him one of these Martinelli's 100% apple juice. They're in these little cute glass bottles. I do get these at the Dollar Tree because they're obviously $1, which is actually cheaper than buying them by the case at Walmart, where they're like more like $1.30 to $1.40 each. One of these twist ups, which is like a Walmart dupe for Sierra Mist. And then for his main entree, just some leftovers. I made this sausage and peppers with onions like pasta bake last night. I think I have a clip here. So he can just reheat this up on lunch break since it's in a glass container. For snacks, we have these Dilly Bites, dill pickle, like chips by the Oh Snap Pickling Company. I like these pickles. I also like their snap peas and their pickled carrots as well. A banana, one of these Reese's layered little things. I gave him one of these earlier in the week and told you guys I would update you on them. He said they were pretty good. He wasn't blown away by it, but he said it was good. So I'll probably buy them again just to switch things up, but just not on a regular basis. I did get these, by the way, at Price Right. Also a Jack Link's beef steak beef strip, and then some of these Welch's. This is like a new flavor they just came out with, which is the summer fruit, which is like obviously peaches, watermelons, berries, things like that. But yeah, this is his lunch today on Thursday, and we'll see you tomorrow. So I wanted to show you guys what I've been having for breakfast. Not every day, but I don't know, every few days, every couple days. Because I know I show you guys sometimes Matt's breakfast, so I thought I would show you mine. I'm not a big breakfast person, for one. I have to be in the mood for it, but I really need to start eating it. So I've been using these Activia probiotic little yogurts. I got a variety pack with peach and strawberry. So here I've got strawberry. I've got some of this French vanilla almond granola. Can obviously use any granola that you like. And then just a sliced up banana. And it's just better than nothing. It keeps me full for the morning, and then I'm not so hungry by like 10 a.m. Good morning, guys. It is Friday and we made it to the end of the work week. I am getting ready to send off Matt to work. He is having a Dr. Pepper cream soda, 0 sugar, a Martinelli's 100% apple juice, a salad here. I already had some romaine lettuce washed, prepped, and stored. So I just put a bed of romaine lettuce and I kind of pushed it down. I put some leftover grilled, seasoned, marinated chicken breast. I just sliced it up. It was fully cooked and grilled. And then I have cucumber, tomato, carrot, and then these are some French's crispy onions, the kind that you use in like green bean casserole. So I just have the top underneath. I've got some ranch dressing on the side, some of this Greek Perfect Peach Cobbler yogurt. It's low-fat yogurt with oatmeal pastry pieces and frosted cinnamon crunch, and then it has the little toppings on the side. A Honeycrisp apple, a Lance's Captain Wafer cream cheese and chive, and a cheese stick. Sorry for all the background noise. My husband is prepping something in the garage that he needs to bring to the job, and I have laundry going. It's just kind of a crazy morning. But anyways, this is his lunch on Friday. I hope you enjoyed this week's lunch video and the couple little breakfast random clips. I know you guys like to see random breakfast clips. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. I do have a whole playlist of these lunch videos linked down below in case you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.